What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see, man, I'm outside, hot. Another cloudy day, gloomy. We just got finished working out, man. That's why I got the hat off still, boy. Just got finished working out. But I got the tire. I got the call. My tires is in. So I already got everything moved, man. I'm finna go make this move to go pick up the tire, man. Gonna be my first drive in the car. So I'm gonna set the GoPro up. And I'm gonna ease it over there, cause it wobbly. Like these tires, they dry rotted, and I don't want to bust, cause that will happen. So I'm gonna ease it to the tire shop, so we can get them tires put on, man. I got brand new white walls, a whole set, fresh set. I told y'all keeping it the same like this. I love this. I love this look. So I'm gonna put them on there, and say I am gonna put some wheels on it. Get me wrong. But this time, I might go 22. Cause people, I like being different, y'all. People think, like box Chevy 4s, you gotta have 60s. G-body, you gotta have 4s. Now, I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all know I like being different. But, that's enough, man. I'm gonna get over there, cause I don't know if their weather gonna pull a switcheroo. And then the bottom decide to fall out. So, I'm finna take off and get to the tire shop. We're gonna get them put on. And then we're gonna check back in, y'all. So, y'all stay tuned.
First bumpy drive. I told you I felt the pulling on trailer, man. I said, it needs time bad for real, but for riding, when I put these tires on here in a few minutes, I can tell, man, this thing here, I already knew what I was getting anyway, man. I said, run good, you gotta worry about nothing. Then check this out. Ain't a lick of air coming this door. Can't hear nothing. You can't hear nothing. Ooh, this thing needs some tire bad. I gotta slow it down some. They were there jumping it need them bad. I'm just trying to ease it to the tire plate. But wifey, she ain't far behind me in case I need some help. But you know, dry rot, shoot, you don't want to pick up speed, like high speed. They get a whole lot of heat in them. They separate. Ask me how I know. I had one blow out, but boom. I said, oh, never again. But Joker run good, man, cool. We ain't in at 140 right now. Ain't no air coming in that Joker. None at all, man. I'm talking about tight. Seal tight like a well, I don't even know. I'm so used to talking loud and mellow in here called the exhaust. But airtight. Airtight like a new car, man. This Joker here. Now y'all tell me in the comment, man, they want a good buy. I hit my bro James, man. Shout out to James Churchill. My bro with all the Grand National, man, the RC. Shout out to James. Peanuts Automotive Adventures, man. Y'all go follow him, man. This man got multiple Grand Nationals. Go check him out. Fast RC cars and stuff too. Peanuts Automotive Adventure, man. He doing his thing with his son and stuff. That's my bro. That's my guy, man. But he a Regal lover too, man. He got turbo Buicks too. So I asked James, cause he hated to see it go. He hated to see Black Haven go. I said, tell me, James, what you think? Now you like that one better, what? he hit me and said, yeah, I like that one better, man. So you got somebody like that, the Buick connoisseur. Hey man, he got stamp for approval. We did good. So yeah, man. Like I said, y'all here ain't no air, and y'all see why. I be crazy not to buy this, man. I love these cars. I love these, man. I'm like James. If I had it my way, the only reason I won't have one of each Regal or one of each box Chevy is because of the room. Cause even when I put my building up, I still won't have enough room if I bought one of each. So that's the only reason. So it's like I cut it down. So I'm still gonna end up having 3. So I'm gonna keep this one. I have a limited, then I have a T-top, just a regular T-top. I can put me a little motor in. Then I'm having my Grand National. So I'm still gonna have 3. And you know, I'm gonna have 2 box 7s at all time. Cause beats ain't going nowhere. But y'all see, man, it rides so good. Temp, good oil pressure. It's a good engine, man. It's a good base, and it ain't skimping. It ain't skimping, man. So I'm the 3rd owner. So, you know, the guy I bought it from, he a real good dude too, man. Real good dude. Said I got it from him, and he did the engine and the transmission, man. The transmission like 6 months old, the engine about a year old. He did a great job, but it's something I'm gonna do. The remix, cause y'all know I spec motors, and I know the whole combination. He told me, I like, yeah. Before I ain't got it, so I like, that's a good baseline. And you know, it's a good engine. What I'm gonna do to it, I ain't gonna take away from drivability, but it is gonna add more power, guaranteed. Just like I told y'all with R&B. R&B was a good driving car. I drove from South Carolina when I bought it. But y'all see what happened when I remixed it and I put my combo on it. Turned into a whole nother car, like for real. Cut the time way down. But it's still dependable. Still go anywhere in it. It's gonna be the same thing. Trust me. But yeah, we running. Let's see, man, still ain't even at 140. 139. This over here runs so cool, it ain't funny. See, ain't no L. And I bought everything for the AC. I got everything for the AC. So don't be surprised if you see me doing a video and we getting the AC running within a week. And I will say I did one thing to this car that y'all didn't see that it needed. It needed hood shocks. It needed the hood shocks, called the hood shocks. The hood one, they went bad and went stale. And me and wifey changed those yesterday. We changed those yesterday, and I took the carburetor off of Meats because somebody was buying the carburetor. So y'all didn't see that. So we see Meats and the carburetor gone. I sold it. Somebody bought the headers too, cause I told you. I like, man, I'm not gonna use that stuff, whatever. Cause I told y'all that the engine, I'm keeping straight up down. It's not a tall deck engine. It's a standard deck height, but it's gonna make more power than the motor that's in Meats now. So I need a bigger diameter header, just a little bigger, not them big huge ones. And if I had a tall deck motor, I need some of them big huge ones. But I need just a size up, basically. A size up, cause those 2-inch headers. I need a size up, so that's why I like, man, I can't use it. And the what's the name, the Dominator, I can use the same side, but I'm gonna change to a 2-circuit. That's a 3-circuit. So I'm gonna change to a 2-circuit, man. Cause people wonder why you getting this. Now it's just that like I said, man, I need a 2. I probably could have had it redone, but I'm like, for what? I don't want to mess up a good carburetor, so it's sold. And yeah, that's the deal. So we ride, man. I'm trying to. They gotta wait. I got a car behind me. I know I'm putting, but I ain't finna put these tires. It's over getting shaking bad. You pick up speed. But I'm gonna turn y'all back on, man. I hope I made a tire shop. We ain't had no adventure, so y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. Y'all see, we got run one that out here getting them tires off here, boys. He was wobbling like crazy. I told y'all these tires, man, they got to come up off here. But they finna get me right. They finna get me right, man. Get them tires off here, and then we can really ride. I had to cruise, man. These over here dry riding. Oh, y'all can see good. All on 2, all 4 on dry riding. So they had to come up out here. Then it should ride smooth with the alignment and everything good on it. But I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute when they get finished. Alright, y'all, we checking back in, man. We got the new tires on, fixed everything. We'll run on down the ride smooth, don't know what now, man. Just need a set of tires on them. She good to go, man. So I got the call. I got to hurry up and go link up with the guy that buying the carburetor, man. So I'm finna hurry up and skedaddle on home, man, quick. Like I said, I might hop back in it. But mission accomplished. I wanted to get this done before some rain. Must around have a surprise shower. But I got it done, so now I'm finna put the pedal to the metal, get this over home, man. I'm gonna turn y'all back on, finna holler at y'all. Y'all stay tuned.
Alright, y'all see it, man. Getting fresh white walls on there. We ain't gonna have no more wobbling. It's gonna be smooth on the way home. Then I'm gonna turn y'all back on. We headed back. Man. I'm gonna turn y'all back on. Y'all know I'm gonna do the brake treatment. I got to do the brake treatment, man. Yeah, she need the brake. She need the brake treatment, man. Grandma Nana got to get that. We gotta get all that off of there. But y'all just stay tuned. I'm gonna turn y'all back on when we get in. And I'm gonna tune in y'all from the GoPro. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. I got Grandma Nana pulled out. Got the fresh white walls on all four corners. Yes, indeed. Got to wash this soap off so we can have that fresh white. So that's what I'm about to do. I got back from selling meat carburetor. So peace of mind on that. I'm glad they're gone. Get a little something back. Header's gonna be going tomorrow. Shoot. I'll be to the good. I'm gonna take the transmission and make it do what it do. And next time y'all see something, that joke gonna be wow. That's how that joke gonna be. Oh yeah, man. Hey boy, hold on. Let me see. I'm gonna sit y'all down, man. I'll sit y'all down in a minute. Alright. We got Grandma Nana all tires all cleaned up, man. She got the fresh white walls. Riding like a sewing machine. She good to go. She is good to go. So man, I got a few things I gotta do to her. A few little things that I ain't speaking on right now. But for the most part, she about ready to go. I got a few little knickknacks. I'm finna go order some stuff now, actually. Then earlier, when they were putting the hood cap back, the little metal retaining clip broke on the cap. So I already ordered some replacements. So I'm gonna have some extras too, cause like I said, I gotta have my baskets, man. I ain't never owned a set of baskets that been this clean. So I gotta keep them tight, man. And then when you see this joker sitting in the parking lot, it don't look like that. It look like a clean grandma original. And like a lot of y'all were thinking, until y'all saw the other video and heard it, that's what I want everybody else to think. They don't know. They see it. Oh, this is Grandma Nana clean, man. So you know. Then I got the still got the limited decal. Gonna put it back on when it get painted. All the decal, man. Everything going back on. But like I said, I got a little knick-knack stuff to do. Which I'm gonna get on top of it. Well, I'm already on top of it now, honestly. Then I noticed like this. It's the only time I'm gonna get another one of these switches. Cause that one, you can actually buy just the button. So I might just buy just the button. Cause the switch part look pretty good. That look pretty decent. So I might just buy the button. That's the only thing missing out here. Everything else is there. I ain't got no power this way. But yeah, man. I'm finna pull her up some. We got the tires that was just missing accomplished. That the main objective today is to get the tires so I can actually drive this thing. So I'm gonna be putting some miles on them for the time being while I do what I do. Hopefully sometime next week I get this windshield taken care of. Sometime next week, and if you're on the BCG Hangout, you'll know whatever else I'm gonna take care of, cause I'm already on top of it. But yeah, man, they're gonna wrap this one up. Y'all got to see my first road test and all of that. We rolling right along. I'm gonna have some fun with this. Man, especially when I get that ran in this thing. Then it's a few things I gotta tidy up. This is what I'm gonna do, especially on the hood. I'm gonna tidy up some stuff under the hood, man. And then like when y'all see, basically by the time y'all see on the hood, man, it ain't gonna look nothing like what it look right now, what I'm saying. Then I'm gonna show y'all later the before, but then I'm gonna show y'all the after. So yeah, man, we good to go. So I think they will gonna wrap this up, man, and white wall clean. Boy, I love it. I love this thing, man. Grandma Nana too clean. And she is too clean. Boy, look at that. I don't know what I want to make thumbnail. I want to make this. I make the other one. I don't know. That dope clean, boy. But yeah, man, they're gonna wrap this thing up, man. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.